Yo, ngiyasaba isibindi salomfana we-man of the match we-Pirates. Guys, nimzwile utheni? Asenimuzwe ukuthi uthini, mani ngini-forwarded. Hey, ngiyasaba isibindi salomfana and ukhuluma ngesibindi. Uthini, umzwile utheni? Uthe and iligi siyayifuna, ngicela nimuzwe ukuthi uthini. Uthi iligi bayifuna and bazoyithatha. And ngicela nimuzwe.
Siyabonga uteammate ukuthi sizanile futhi sakhula samanga weekend. Nami besazi ukuthi angeke siphinde ngetshelo. UDuma manje simana nabo sabaplanela kahle nocoach wasitshela usenenjani ukuthi siphinde sibabhithile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nje wonke umuntu usebenzile, sebenza weekend akukunye engawusho ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Mobheka lo msebenzi eniwenzile lapha emuva bokumele ukuthi not only nizama ukuthi ni-stop i-Sundowns from ukuthi ikora mara ukuthi nisebenzisane ukuthi nisize nokuthi ibhola lifike la phezulu ukuthi nikhona ukora.
Ya inhloso yethu vele ukuthi besingafuni ukuthi beyikora igoli.
Wemama
mistake nje laba skora nathi sasiphishe off besijoy set piece. Kodwa ngathi
Ngizwile masandawane bathini goligori lani le mistake.
Ngilike ithuba bazothola sonke ngawo wonke amandla ukuthi bengatholi ngisho elilodwa ithuba.
Ukuthi niyimisele ukuthi nikore early ningabaphi nje ithuba ukuthi ba-relaxe into the game.
Ya usize kakhulu ukuthi isikore early amagoli ngoba vele besazi ukuthi sakora amagoli right. Nathi ngeke bekora njengathi
yo ngesaba isibindi salomfana.
Akusitshele ngenkulumo in the lead up to this game makhuluma ngokuthi i-league ayikakapheli phela sesekhona amathuba ukuthi bikhona ukuthi ni-catch up
izwani uthini umfana.
Ya oweligi ngikhona ukuconfirm kakhulu but kodwa siyalwa siyazoyithatha iligi futhi
siyalwa sisazoyithatha iligi. Ngizwile 57 fan
yazi ukuthi le game edlulile angitholanga i-result lekade ngiyifuna, so sitshele ngomsebenzi omkhulu eniwenzile ukuthi namhlanje ikhona ukuthi le game iphele kanje.
Ya le game esiwabuya khona dlalanga kahle andifuna sibonile sathi-ke abaningi abantu bethi mhlawumbe sodliwa and kanjani sathi-ke sobaprovela wrong ngokuthi sodlala ngokuyimisela sazi ukuthi bonke abasilindele sokwenza into wrong sobaprova wrong.
Thank you but at the part yo unesibindi lo mfana nimzwile mama.
Well, fantastic performance of course from Orlando Pirates, just talking about what an important victory this is also for the mentality of the players. Coach
hayibo angiwaboni mafeni we-Sundowns manje apha abalekile
using your fullbacks to also just aid in terms of what is happening up front. Beautiful, great start.
Yeah, well executed. It's difficult to play against Sundowns, trust me, so difficult. They are so good.